Hello friends, today I will teach you how to make Salvadorian torrejas, which are similar to torrijas from Spain, but with a Salvadorian touch.
To make these delicious torrejas, we're going to need a loaf of brioche bread, 5 eggs separated yolks from egg whites, and oil for frying. For the panela syrup, we're going to need 1 pound of Salvadorian or Colombian panela, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and 5 cups of water.
Torrejas are usually made with pan de yema, which is a Salvadorian bread made out of egg yolks and other ingredients. The closest thing I found here in Colorado to pan de yema is brioche bread. My husband has been teaching me how to say it. I hope I said it right. Or you can also make them with challah bread, which is a Jewish bread, and you can find it in many stores. To make this syrup, we're going to use panela, which is sugarcane juice in a solid form. I'm using Salvadorian panela, but you could also use Colombian panela, which is a little more mild in flavor. First, we're going to start by boiling the panela with the water. I'm using 1 liter of water, but if the syrup is too thick, we're gonna add more. We're also adding the cinnamon stick and the allspice. While we're cooking our syrup, we're going to make the batter for the bread. We're gonna start by beating the egg whites. Now that the egg whites are creamy, we're going to reduce the speed and we're going to add the egg yolks. We are going to cover the bread with the egg batter and fry them in vegetable oil. The syrup is ready and the bread is ready. Now we're going to put the bread in the syrup. And this is our delicious Salvadorian torreja. Muy bueno. If you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you next time.